Okay, so hello everyone. Uh, Today I will share with you about Bliss mobile dating app. I designed it. So yeah, um, here are some reference I collect from behind. Yeah, it's look so cool, and I really love this slide because it's like it's so it have a dark dark side and with a purpose. Yeah, it look very attractive. So another thing is I found another layout is clean to make sure that I can use on the presentation when I upload it on Behance. Yeah, it is another layout that I see is clean, clear, easy. Yeah, it's also I also try some font like Inter TT Apinify to make sure I found a right font. Yeah, here's some mock-up that inspire me. That's I think that I can use on my design. And right there is a frame. Yeah, I just put it on my layout to make sure like the first thing is cover color table. Yeah, like I create a frame to know what I have to do in the future. Yeah, like I have a big map before I do it, like people social bot I will after people poster I will have a social after right there something. Yeah, and then I found another layout like this. Yeah, it looks so cool. Yeah, a big title, a corner. Yeah, it's inspired me a lot. Right there, another, and the color I choose is inspiration. Choose right each mix is like have a pink color and the white and purple and blue. I pick right there black, pink one, two, blue and white. Yeah, it's a lot of contract that can attract people a lot. So the goal targets, yes, and then I put it, I choose, and then I yeah, here the cover or something like I need to find a cover, and I found two a couple that like they contact uh, they, 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 they look to each another. Yeah, and the color I choose here is the brand color, just pink, purple and blue, black. Yes, and then on the side I have a layout that I think that is good for my layout, so I put in the side, and then I design. The first thing is the cover. I retouch it on Photoshop, and then after it I have a design like logo, fonts I will use, table color, something. With UI design, I also inspire a lot with app Tinder. I use mobbing. Yeah, I use mobbing like Tinder, Badoo, Pumpo for dating app to inspire me. And also I use mobbing for the image. And then I design and I have a design 5 screen. The first is launch screen. Launch screen, I just put a big logo in the center, and yeah, it looks clean. Then with login space, I use a black color. Yeah, it's like I think it's not final, but yeah, here the final, like the login screen with Bliss logo. And setting up account, you can have a title like what are you interested to make sure that you choose like traveling, finance, reading, technology. And when you click like the app will set the fit the best profile for you. And on the switch page, it also have a portal navigation. It's clean and it's also you almost on Apple app. Here's the like when you click it, it will refresh the user. And here's the loading bar, like it will running after a few seconds and it will load to another picture. Here's a notification to know that who like you or who send you a message. And on the page you can see the active name and the user. Reading what they like is related to what you do on the setting up account. Yes, and I put the love icon right there and the close icon right there. It's like the TikTok app. If you have used the TikTok app before, you can see that it has a list button right there. Yeah, it's also inspired me. Yeah, like you the when you interact with the in the reel, you can yeah, the swipe being your finger it can connect. It's easy, right? Also you can swipe left or swipe right. If you like it, you can swipe right, and if you don't like, you can swipe left. And here's the space. As make sure that you must with someone and have a CTA that you and replica have 24 hours to break the ice to push them send a message. Yes. And when I design it, I have write about the project overview, what it is. Here the some the feature, profile matching, messaging, location based matching, allow they can search in the area. Here a mockup. Startup screen, yeah, it's 3D marker, color and font. I put it on to make to present, and font I use is Inter, regular, design, Also I write about the feature on an app like easy design with phone number and interest suggestion based on user profile. Easy whispering, yeah, like I told you before. You can also swipe left or swipe right, and you can click on this button, yeah, to make sure a user have yeah, a lot of choice. Yeah, if what thing make them happy, yeah, they can use it. Quick chat encourage user to start chatting weekly after contacting by sending a push notification. Yeah. Also here are some mock-up. Oh, and yeah, a pupil to now the app is on some tests. Yeah, have them understand them, and you can also see all the way I design. You can see it's consistent about the color, about the style, right? All the image I choose is have something like blue and purple always, because I want to make it consistent, not only about the color but also about the typo, the spacing, everything, the icon. I choose a few icon. Yeah, everything is have to consistent before yeah, so when they see it, they see the friend color, they can know who am I. Yes, it's a Bliss, a dating app. Yeah. And yeah, I just want to share with you today about how I design a dating app. Yes. And also when I finish it, I put it on some base I device on like Ripple. It's on the size 1600 and 1200, and then I export it and upload on Behance and Ripple. Also on Behance you can use a tool on Figma. You can use a tool is slide right there. It will when you choose it, you export. Yes, it will cut exactly the frame you choose. Okay, yeah. Like if you choose only right there, it will only cut it exactly. Yeah. So I have slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's slide, and then I cut it, export it, and upload it on Behance, that you can see dating app on Behance right there. Yes, it's image to make people can see it easily. Yes, and show it. Also on Flipboard. Yes, and yeah, thank you for listening, and yeah, that is all how I design a Bliss, a dating app. Yeah, everything is, yeah, hope all you guys have a good day, and yeah, if you think that is have some value to you, please like and comment. Thank you, have a great day.